What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Gemmy inflatable grinch with snowballs. Now you can see we got this in here, he got used last year in 2026 month, in 2024 last year you can see. Now this is a 2021 model, so this thing came out in 2021, you can see it's pretty see right as you see. We probably have to put some LEDs on this here because I was tired of this thing keep placing bulbs on this thing because every time it goes out completely because like I said, there's two on his head, two on his body, and two on his snowballs, right? Here, because you know how I expected to see because every time he was out there, you see his arm will go down, and sometimes his head will go like this a little bit, you can see, because I didn't like that, so, and sometimes his head will get stuck, and then I would just do like this a little bit, which is that it looks ridiculous on there, you can see on display in my hand, which, if you do have the Grinch, if you do have the Grinch with the things on there, make sure there's, you see, because that looks pretty cool in my hands. Yeah, because I didn't like what his head doing like this. Looks like he's looking up in the sky a little bit, which I don't like that. Which is like what it is on this machine. Exactly, which definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. But you see how much better this thing is. It definitely will very much like this machine. Exactly, which is definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. The bug is still decent shape in my opinion, so it definitely will be used again this year for 2025 Christmas display. I think it's going to be in the same spot again this year. I think, or maybe a different spot this year. I don't know exactly, but just definitely looks pretty. Way better this machine. Exactly, just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. But you can see it definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. When you see exactly how much better this machine exactly, which it definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. But as you can see, this is a very nice looking Gemmy inflatable Grinch with snowballs. So I hope at some point we put LEDs on this one this year, so that this definitely looks pretty nice looking Grinch with snowballs.